Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video is about a small tutorial of how you can skip chain 2 in the beginning of your work and directly start with the double crochet. So let's start with it. So I have completed my this row and now I need to start my next row. So usually what we do is we chain 2, turn our work and then do double crochet, right? So here I am gonna show you that how you can skip this chain 2 and directly start from double crochet. So how you can do is stretch this loop to the height of 1 double crochet and then turn your work. Wrap this loop around your hook like this. Hold your loop from here. Then insert the hook into the first loop. Yarn over. Pull the yarn. Again yarn over. Pull the yarn from 2 loops. Again yarn over. Pull the yarn from other 2 loops. So basically what we are doing is we are stretching a loop out and doing double crochet around that only. Okay. Now we have 3, 2, 1, 2 and 3, okay, and no chain in the beginning. So like this we can start our work directly from our double crochet and skip the step of making 2 chains. Similarly, if you are crocheting in round also you can do that. Instead of making chain 2, you can make double crochet in the same manner as I have shown. Thanks for watching. Hope it was helpful to you.